Mesa, Arizona, an AH-64 Apache attack helicopter, like so many before it, leaves the production hangar for its maiden test flight. But on this cool desert morning, the Apache's first production flight has a significant meaning because it's the 2,000th helicopter to roll off the line.
Every person in our organization has been focused on delivering a quality product to the United States Army and allies around the world for over 30 years now.
30 years and 1,999 attack helicopters after its first delivery, the 2000th Apache, a new E model, makes its debut.
It's a lot of aircraft. We must be doing something right.
Aircraft technician Jessica Ferguson has been working on the Apache less than 4 months.
All the little bits and pieces that everybody does on this line, you go out to flight and you see what it looks like after it's completed, and it's an amazing sight to know that it's out there saving lives, keeping our soldiers safe is a wonderful feeling.
Fellow manufacturing technician Joe Mirda celebrates 29 years at Boeing in July, most of it building Apaches.
It's the greatest job for me. There's not a job I think I'd like more than this.
Former Army aviator Don Hunter, a Boeing test pilot who's flown every Apache model in 24 years with the Army, conducts a pre-flight check of the newest helicopter. With combat experience in Iraq, Hunter understands the Apache's incredible endurance.
The 2000th Apache, to me, means that the aircraft is not only a high-quality machine, but it's also adaptable as the threat has changed over the years.
Joining Hunter for this flight is Dan Edwards, Boeing's chief Apache production test pilot. Edwards, a 20-year Army veteran himself, says flying an Apache remains a thrill.
Yeah, you never get over the excitement of flying the Apache. It's an amazing aircraft.
Edwards and Hunter go through their final checks. With the E model's composite rotors buzzing, the 2000th Apache is cleared for flight. Hovering just above the ground, Edwards and Hunter prepare to put the attack helicopter through its paces. Soon, the 2000th AH-64E will be delivered to the U.S. Army.
When the infantry guys or the people on the ground see the Apache come in, it's almost like a savior, so to speak. You know, they know it's like it gives them a sense of security. And we always get guys that come out to the airfield and thank us for what we do. And you think that, oh man, you're like my hero, these special forces guys. But then they're like, you know, y'all saved our lives. You know, and it's such an amazing machine.
Full speed ahead, the 2000th Apache soars into the Arizona sky.